Good morning. It's been a busy morning already with the profits and stuff coming in from the bot, which is so cool. Check out my stories and stuff like that. But let's get this going. My mom and I are going to go for a walk. 8 sprays under the tongue. Hold. Hold, hold, hold. Appetite suppressor. That one is cellular energy. Hold it. Keep the butt, not the gut. That's our fat blaster kit. Look at this. Oh, he went in. Sunday. Sunday. Hi, baby. Hi, baby boy. Where'd you go? Sunday. Sunday. So, where we are used to be a trail that I would take from over there back to this way with the dogs, but they built houses over there. And we wanted to see how it was back here now. And there's a treehouse. Like, whose yard is this in? It's not attached to anybody's yard. There's no fences, none of that stuff. Huh. What if it's still in renovation? Because it looks like their yards end over there. So I don't know, did they just decide to take over out here? Or is it part of their parcel? I have no idea. Everything's all fenced in. There's no... Also, if you can see them. I wonder if they're pears, not pears, what's the word? Glass mom. She refuses to come because she thinks she's trespassing. But like, I told her there's no fences anywhere. No signs. Where'd she go? Where did she go? Oh, she's hiding behind that tree. But I would definitely come out here and do some meditating and some yoga and just sit with the dogs. Pretty sure nobody hardly ever comes out here.
Just too beautiful back here. Like, the trees are huge. Like this, there's a tree here, there's a tree there, all across there's a tree. This was the bush we used to walk around with the
I know,
trees.
yeah.
There are two everywhere. So if this is our lot, where would you put your house? Would you put it up there or would you put it back here?
Back there, probably.
So where would you put your car? I would like the car up here. That way it's not in the way. Because this is kind of just extra.
More over here because that's where the driveway is. And then all this would be green.
And then we'd have the front would be on this side and the back would face that way. So it's just
I don't know.
somebody's backyard.
I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out because there's no signs. I don't know if the people's parcels go past those fences, right?
I know, that's what I was saying.
And yeah, it's so like I would come out here and read, do yoga and sit with the dogs and stuff because there'd be nobody around. But she doesn't know what kind of fruits those are or from that tree.
All those grape vines over there. There's grow lots of grapes.
I'm glad we came back here.
What this is.
Because I've been looking for a spot to come and just soak and do some grounding and stuff like that.
You know when we used to come through there?
Yes, yeah,
We used to go out to the
yeah, and ever since they built. Got a little bit of rain coming.